Welcome to AI Radio. Casey here.
And I'm Haru. Thanks for tuning in.
Today, we're diving deep into some hot news from the 3D printing industry.
Oh, I have heard 3D printers have been evolving like crazy lately.
Absolutely. Just in January 2026 alone, there's been tons of buzz.
I can't wait to hear about it.
Let's kick things off with Anycubic's new product, the Kobra X.
Kobra X? That's a cool name.
So this is a multicolor 3D printer, and get this, it's only $279.
$279? That's like just over 40,000 yen, right?
Yep, and until now, multicolor printers usually cost over $500.
Wait, that's almost half the price.
And with the early bird pricing, it drops down to $259.
Wow, that's a game changer for sure.
Plus, it does 4-color simultaneous printing standard.
19 colors. That's basically full color.
The build volume is 260 by 260 by 260 millimeters.
So like a medium desktop size.
Right? Print speed is recommended at 300 millimeters per second, but maxes out at 600.
600 millimeters per second? Isn't that super fast?
I know.
Technical terms coming at us, but is acceleration really that important?
Yeah, faster head movement means shorter print time.
I see. So it's about balancing speed and quality.
Plus, it's got dual-band Wi-Fi, supporting both 2.4 and 5 GHz.
Wireless control is so convenient.
And there's even AI features built in it.
AI features? What can it do?
Leakage detection. It automatically detects when a print fails, and the filament turns into a tangled net.
Oh, I've heard about that. When it fails, you waste all that material.
Right, plus foreign object detection and 720p live monitoring.
So you can check it from your phone even when you're out?
Exactly. And in quiet mode, it runs under 45 decibels, so it's usable at night.
45 decibels is like library quiet, right?
Yeah, perfect for apartment.
But what I'm most curious about is how they managed to make it so cheapo.
Good question. It's this system called ACE Gen 2.
ACE Gen 2?
The biggest problem with multicolor printing is having to purge filament when changing colors.
Oh right, like flushing out the old colors so they don't mix.
Exactly, it's called purging, and it leads to massive material waste.
That's wasteful. You're paying for the material you throw away.
ACE Gen 2 cuts the distance between the cutter and nozzle in half.
How does shortening the distance help?
Retraction distance, basically how far it pulls back, went from 160 millimeters down to 30.
From 160 to 30? That's less than 1/5.
This reduced the flush sequence length by 81.25%.
81% reduction. That's almost no waste at all.
According to Anycubic, print speed doubles or triples, and material usage is cut in half.
That's amazing. Directly reduces cost.
So it's not just the upfront price. Running costs are way lower too.
Saving money after you buy it is really nice.
And here's something cool. They announced the industry's first 3D print guarantee program.
Guarantee program? Like they'll fix it if it breaks?
No, it's even better. You do an official benchmark print first.
Benchmark print?
And if it fails for any reason, Anycubic does a comprehensive setup review.
So basically, if it doesn't work, they'll walk you through everything step by step?
Exactly! It's a groundbreaking approach to ease beginners' concern.
3D printers always seem complicated to set up, so this is great.
Competitors like Bamboo Lab, Creality, and Cheaty Tech must be sweat.
Price wars are gonna heat up even more.
I think we're gonna see multicolor printing democratized big time.
An era where anyone can easily make colorful creation.
Next up, let's talk about a major event in Japan, TCT Japan 26.
TCT Japan. I think I've heard of that.
It's Japan's largest 3D printing and additive manufacturing expo.
The one at Tokyo Big Sight.
Yep, running for 3 days, from January 28th to 30th.
That's coming up soon. Is there an admission fee?
Free admission, but you need to pre-register.
If it's free, I'd love to check it out.
TTT Group runs expos and conferences in 5 countries. It's a global brand.
So, it's an international event.
In Japan, it's been held since 2019, and tons of domestic and international companies are exhibiting again.
What kind of companies will be there?
First, NTD Redesigned Technologies is showcasing EOS metal and resin printers.
Metal printers are industrial grade, right?
Right? The new AM4. Onyx model is gonna be the star.
Cool name. Onyx like the gemstone.
AG Sangyo is introducing Nikon SLM Solutions laser fusion systems from Germany.
Nikon, the Japanese camera maker? They make 3D printers too?
They acquired Serendix in 2023.
Interesting, maybe their precision camera tech comes in handy.
Serendix is displaying pure copper heat exchangers made with Chinese BLT's green laser machine.
Pure copper. You can 3D print copper?
Green lasers overcome the reflectivity issues with copper.
Wow, you really feel the tech evolving.
Plus, Oryx Rentec is also introducing rental services for metal 3D printers.
Rental. Makes sense since buying them is expensive.
Sunstella has an island booth showcasing 4 brands: Bamboo Lab, Riva Point, Regione, and Intamsis.
I know Bamboo Lab. They're really popular lately.
You'll see a wide lineup from consumer to industrial.
Are there conferences too?
On the 29th, it's application case studies, and the 30th is cutting-edge R&D.
Hearing real-world use cases would be super helpful.
Industry frontrunners are presenting, so it's a perfect chance to learn the latest trend.
How far along is 3D printing adoption in Japan anyway?
Actually pretty far. Ever heard of Serendix?
Not sure.
They started selling 3D printer housing kits.
Housing? You can 3D print houses?
Yep, starting at 3.3 million yen for small homes or second houses.
3.3 million yen for a house. That's crazy cheap, right?
Way lower cost compared to traditional construction.
And probably faster to build.
Honda's doing something interesting too.
Honda, the car company?
They're globally supplying genuine compatible parts for discontinued models via 3D printing.
Lots of people struggle to find parts for old cars.
Launching in spring 2026.
Great news for classic car fans.
Sumitomo Rubber Industries is developing 3D printable rubber materials, aiming to commercialize in 2026.
You can 3D print rubber now too?
Leveraging material tech from a tire manufacturer.
Japanese companies are really stepping up.
And Apple adopted LPBF tech for the Apple Watch. That's huge.
What's LPBF?
Laser powder bed fusion, a type of metal 3D printing.
If Apple's using it, that means the quality's been validated.
Metal 3D printing is now recognized as a legit mass production technology.
Once the big players start using it, others will follow.
Alright, let's play a song.
Nice. What are we listening to?
Today's track is STL. Can't throw it away.
Oh, the title's got layers.
3D print file format is STL2, so it's a little pun.
Got it. Enjoy the music, everyone.
仮最終版それ10個目だよデスクトップに並ぶファイルバージョンは修正版が一番でもこう開くとどれも似てるそれなのにできない
song, let's talk about 3D printing in space.
Space. The scale just jumped way up.
ETH Zurich, the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, achieved something incredible.
What did they do?
They successfully bioprinted human muscle tissue in microgravity.
Wait, they 3D printed muscle? In space?
During a parabolic flight.
Parabolic flight. That's where the plane flies in an arc to create zero gravity, right?
Exactly, they printed during those brief weightless moments.
That sounds incredibly difficult, technically.
They designed a special bioprinter that maintains precision during alternating microgravity and hypergravity.
So it prints accurately even when gravity keeps changing.
They use bioink made from human stem cells and structural support biomaterial.
Made from stem cells, so it's close to real tissue.
They created tissue structures that maintain shape and function despite dramatic gravity changes.
How will this be useful in the future?
It could revolutionize astronaut healthcare during long space missions.
Like if someone gets hurt in space, you could make tissue right there to treat them.
Right, a trip to Mars takes over 6 months one way.
Medical care when you can't return to Earth is crucial.
Plus, this tech can be applied to medicine on Earth too.
How so?
If the anti-collapse tech advances, we can make more complex structures with vascular networks.
So maybe entire organs could be printed.
That's the potential. And Northeastern University's Professor Gohao Day got a patent for a new elastic hydrogel material.
Hydrogel is that water-containing gel substance, right?
Traditional hydrogels were brittle and couldn't handle stretching or twisting.
But the new material is different.
It's elastic, opening the door to 3D printing blood vessels and organs.
The future of medicine could be transformed by 3D printing.
It's even been published in Frontiers in Bioengineering and Biotechnology for infectious disease research application.
It can be used for infectious disease research too?
Expectations are rising for new treatment development.
By the way, can regular people actually start a business with 3D printing?
Actually, yes. There's a case of an 18-year-old entrepreneur hitting $300,000 a month.
An 18-year-old making 45 million yen? What's the story?
Michael Satterley launched a brand called Cruise Cup.
Cruise Cup? What's he selling?
3D printed drink accessories, specifically can holders.
You can make that much from can holders?
It went viral on Instagram and TikTok.
Social media power is wild.
Apparently hit nearly 100 million total views.
100 million views. No wonder orders flooded in.
Product demo videos went viral, and orders exploded overnight.
How did he handle all that demand?
Normally you'd think injection molding or offshore production.
But that takes time.
So you just added more 3D printers.
More printers! That's brilliant thinking.
He's currently running over 100 printers.
A farm of 100 printers must be quite a sight.
On X, formerly Twitter, people are saying not switching to injection molding is actually his strength.
Right, because he can adapt flexibly.
Even $200 printers can make reliable products these days.
So anyone has a shot at starting something.
Someone commented 2026 is the year of 3D printing side hustle.
A 3D printing side gig. That's the dream.
Also, there's buzz about a Bamboo Lab and Scry footwear brand collab.
Footwear? Like shoes?
They released design files for shoes you can print at home on a 3D printer.
You can print your own shoes.
It's a joint development with a creative studio called Formism.
What kind of shoes are there?
3 series called Streamform, Persona, and Wanderer, with 9 designs totaling.
That's a good variety.
The 3 Streamform designs are free open source.
Free! That's generous.
Traditionally, 3D printed shoes cost thousands of yuan, tens of thousands of yen.
If it's just filament cost, that's dirt cheap.
You use soft materials like TPU-98 or 85EA foam, TPUs.
Shoes need cushioning, makes sense.
On X and Reddit, people are hyped saying the era of printing your own shoes has arrived.
The 3D printing wave is hitting the fashion industry too.
Finally, let's talk from an investor's perspective.
Like 3D printing stocks.
The week of January 18, 2026, 3D printing stocks surged across the board.
How much did they go up?
3D Systems jumped 18% and grabbed attention.
18%! That much in 1 week?
Stratasys and Vela 3 both rose 8%.
What triggered it?
Growing interest in military and aerospace applications was a big factor.
Military use.
Right before Christmas, Vela 3 secured a $32.6 million US Department of Defense contract.
$32.6 million. That's like 5 billion yen.
They're partnering with the Defense Innovation Unit and the Navy to make 3D printed metal parts for major weapon systems.
So military parts are being 3D printed now.
3D Systems also clearly focused on aerospace and military, gaining investor confidence.
Was this trending on Reddit too?
Someone commented military demand is becoming the savior of the 3D printing industry.
Right? Getting a stable big customer?
There's also voices saying 2026 might be year one for aerospace and
What about Chinese players?
Barsoon and Bright Laser also rose about 5%, staying at the top of leaderboard.
International competition is heating up.
The 2025 global market was about $29.3 billion, with 18% annual growth expected from 2026 onwards.
18% annual growth is pretty impressive.
Some forecasts say it'll reach $92 billion by 2035.
Over triple in 10 years. That's an exciting industry.
And 3D printed products are popular on TikTok too.
What's trending?
Fidget knives, the ones where you press a button and a blade pops out.
Like stress relief toys?
Yeah, and SpongeBob theme music fidgets went viral too.
That's a fun idea.
A Fortnite Peely controller stand apparently takes about 10 man-hours to print.
Gamers would love that.
From everyday products like these to space medicine, the possibilities for 3D printing are truly expanding.
After hearing today's stories, I'm even more interested.
Everyone should definitely give 3D printing a try.
Oh right, if you have thoughts on today's topics or your own 3D printing experiences, drop them in the comments here.
We might even reply directly to some of you. Well, that's about all the time we have.
Today was packed with info.
From housing to shoes to space medicine, the world of 3D printing is truly deep.
We'll bring you more of the latest news next time too, so stay tuned.
Until then, catch you next time on AI Rate.
Bye bye.